do want to say that Born 39 has proven to be a stellar time. I've met so many more people that are really cool, way cooler than I am, and really dope to hang out with. It's been a really rad event. The bikes, of course, are gorgeous. Everybody's going to talk about that stuff. The people are even better.
Buddy Adam, he crashed a couple 2.5 years ago, hasn't ridden a bike. He jumped on the back and went for a bike ride today.
Nuts to bud, gentlemen.
Yeah,
nuts to bud.
Did a little double dicking today. It's all good. I like my tramp stamp. Stupid herd.
Hey there, this is Steve Caballero, and I'm here in the Brian Thompson Triumph booth, and trying to get a little shade because it's super hot today. I'm here doing demos on the big Vans vert ramp, both days, Saturday, and we're here Sunday, and just having a good time. I'm looking forward to working with Roland Sands in a month to build a new bike together, and it's gonna be pretty fun. Pretty excited.
Get a lot of style ideas from here, you know, meet a lot of people.
Just here getting inspired, come to drink beer and look at other people's bikes and come here to just people watch it. It's like a free show around here.
Long ride on the way in. I went about 1,200 miles in about 22 hours or something like that. I ain't had pants on in days. It's been pretty great.
Get ready to take a shit sooner or later.
Oh my god, she's heavy.
Rode here today from Portland, Oregon, and met up with some friends that I've made on the road and having a good time out here at Born Free.
America!
Do you want us to
You don't wear Roland Sands, and well, you can eat it.